In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails from a sender on Yahoo Mail easiest way. Start by opening Yahoo Mail in your web browser or the mobile app and sign in. Once you're in your inbox, head to the search bar at the top. This is the fastest way to gather every message from a specific sender in one place. Type the sender's exact email address for best accuracy, or their name if that's how their messages usually appear, then press enter. You'll see your inbox filter down to only the messages that match your search. Now let's select them. At the top of the message list, you'll see a Select All checkbox. Click that to select all the emails currently visible on the page. This is perfect for a quick sweep, but remember, by default it only selects what you can see. If you have a lot of messages, they may be spread across multiple pages. To make sure you're grabbing everything from that sender in one go, look for a prompt that appears after you click Select All. It usually says something like, select all conversations that match this search. Click that, and Yahoo Mail will extend your selection to include every matching email, even those not shown on the current page. This is the key to deleting everything from that sender at once without manually paging through your inbox. With all matching messages selected, click the delete icon, which looks like a trash can. Yahoo Mail will move the selected emails to your trash folder. Depending on how many messages you're deleting, it may take a few moments for everything to process. It's a good idea to give it a second to finish before navigating away. A quick note on safety: moving emails to trash is reversible for a short time. If you spot something you didn't mean to delete, you can go to your trash folder and restore it. If you're certain you no longer need any of these messages, you can choose to empty the trash later to permanently remove them, but you don't have to do that right now. Keeping them in trash for a bit gives you a buffer in case you change your mind. Before you delete, it can help to scan the filtered list to make sure the results are truly from the sender you intended. Using the exact email address in the search bar reduces the chance of catching unrelated messages. That's it. You've quickly filtered, selected, and deleted all emails from a single sender in Yahoo Mail, the easiest way.